Hello everyone, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you. This is Alina. Today I will introduce new products for you. First is several metal dies. This is die cut for Valentine's Day. It includes the word Happy Valentine's Day and the 3 adorable cupids. The Valentine's Day is about 1 month later, so we can prepare for Valentine's Day cards. Next is 3 frame dies. The first we call it Snow Village. It is for winter. I understand winter items may be a little later, but due to heavy COVID in China, many people sick and factories couldn't run well. So everything slowed down and some products production delayed. It's a shame, but I really love this frame die. This kind of background die can help to make beautiful cards easier. Next is a snowflake background die. It includes a basic frame and a snowflake pattern background die. The size is the same as Snow Village. It is also very pretty. The third frame is classic flower background die. The pattern is elegant. The paper cutout is really beautiful. The last metal die cut is for jewelry display card DIY. It includes 3 sides, can display all kinds of jewelry. When you handmade jewelry for friends, these display cards are perfect package for these handmade gifts. Okay, next I will show you clear stamps. First is Happy Birthday stamps in Chinese and English. Greeting stamps in Chinese is an idea from my craft designer Sandra. We think this is interesting and a very special idea, so we designed and produced 2 stamps. One is for Happy Birthday and the other is for Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. We made the die cut for these stamps. They turn out stunning. This is Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in Chinese and English. All these stamps are with frame die cut. With frame dies, our crafters can use them in different ways. This is a tea tool with scale label. The tool is very useful during crafting, such as to make the label or the letters in level. The next is also a very useful tool in crafting, blending foams. We have unique color, pink handle. It is a very beautiful color. The foam is very smooth and soft. It is easy to replace. Every month we got new pattern papers. They are always stunning. Okay, here we show silk screen stencils. These are big size for home decorate. We can print the patterns on wood frames, windows, walls, furniture, and any small surface you hope to print on. These small size silk screen stencils are for DIY jewelry. We can print beautiful patterns on blank jewelry, such as earrings. Also, can DIY your own style clean jewelry with these patterns. We filmed a tutorial video to show how to handmade clean earrings. You can find it on my channel. My graphic designer Karen also used them to make cards. She used them as background. It is also very beautiful. You can watch the video on my channel to get the technique. After adorable stickers, I have to say bye. That's all today. Thanks for watching. Once again, Happy New Year to all of my friends.